In this video we will learn how to create cryptocurrency by sell and trading website like Binance. Now you can see the website design demo. This website is added with all kinds of functionalities like Binance website. For example, users can exchange any type of cryptocurrency. Users can easily register on the website. Now I will show you how to log in to the website as a user. Users can check their balance. Users can also make deposits on the website. Users can easily trade on the website. Users can also add different types of coins. Users can withdraw their earned money very easily. Also there is facility for users to earn through affiliate URL. You get the most powerful admin panel to control the website. You can change and customize all the functionalities of the website using the admin panel. You can easily control the users of the website through the admin panel. Also you can add many international payment gateways to the website. We will discuss admin panel step by step in this video. To create a website like Binance, we need to purchase a source code. You will find this source code on Envato website. Check the video description. I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. And you can know all the details of this source code through that link. Using this source code you can create cryptocurrency by sell trading website. You can also build a cryptocurrency company like Binance. So buy this source code without delay and build a professional organization like Binance. Domain hosting is required to publish your website online. Also domain hosting is required to install source code. You can buy high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at a low price. Check the video description. I will give the discount link of Hostinger website in the video description. You get a free domain with these packages. Also you will get money back guarantee for 30 days. If you don't like the domain hosting within 30 days, your dollars will be refunded. You can get any type of technical support 24 hours a day. I have already purchased domain hosting from Hostinger, so I will log in the account now. Now we will click on File Manager to upload the source code. Then we will click on Public HTML folder. After purchasing the source code, we will be able to download a zip file and purchase PDF file. Now we will extract this zip file. Now we will upload this zip file. Then we need to unarchive this zip file. Then we need to choose a folder name. Then delete this zip file. Now all these files should be selected. Then submit to public HTML folder. Now delete this folder. Then type our domain into the browser and search. Now first we will change the PHP version. We will select PHP 7.3 version. Then click on Update button. Now we move to the next step. Then we need to do purchase verification. Now we will click on Next button. Then we need to add website database. For this we need to create a database. We must create the MySQL database. Then here we will submit the database information. Now we will click on Create button. Then add this database information to the website. Then we have to click on Next button. Now we need to submit admin login information. Then click on the Next button. Yes, we have successfully installed the source code. Now we need to delete the install file. Now our website is ready. Now users can easily register login to the website. Now you can easily customize the design and functionality of your website through the admin panel. Here you will find all kinds of functionality to customize the website. You will customize these functionalities step by step. You can easily control the users of the website through the admin panel. Customize these functionalities according to your needs. In this video we learn how to create a professional website like Binance. If you have any questions about this video, then comment or contact us directly by email. If you are a new visitor to our channel, then subscribe the channel. Thank you so much watching this full video.